Hi guys, it's Joanna here. Welcome to my home. A lot of you have been requesting for an updated video on what I eat in a day. So today, I'm going to share with you on what I really eat in a day. So guys, I do eat rice on a daily basis. And in fact, I've increased my rice intake. I'm also going to share with you how it has helped me to increase my workout performance, reduce my body fat, and also increase my lean muscle mass. So I'm going to share with you what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and also dinner. Nowadays, for breakfast, I won't force myself to eat breakfast. So let's say if I'm not feeling hungry in the morning, then I won't have breakfast. However, if I know that I'll be having a busy day ahead and I need lots of energy, then I will make myself a really simple breakfast. I like to keep it simple and quick. So I will have 2 soft-boiled eggs with a piece of toast spread with peanut butter. To prep the eggs is really simple. I will place 2 eggs in a pot and cover it with boiling water. And I will leave it for 5 to 10 minutes until it's done. For those of you who are Malaysians or Singaporeans, you will know exactly what I mean. This is actually our favorite breakfast. My breakfast is really this simple. 2 soft-boiled eggs served with a piece of toast spread with peanut butter. So let me know in the comments below if you do enjoy your eggs this way as well. We like to cook our lunch in the morning as well so that we can pack it and take it out with us. And I'm very lucky because I have my boyfriend here to cook lunch for me. We're cooking pan-fried salmon with chicken breast served with white rice and also stir-fried cabbage. So Muscle Man is just slicing the chicken breast as well as salmon. Alright, are we ready to cook?
Yes!
Choose to season your food with herbs and spices as well as black pepper. It's the best way to add flavors to your food without extra calories. I'm going to cook enough rice for lunch and dinner. So usually it's about 2 small cups. And that's about 300 grams of uncooked rice. So this is not just for me, but it's for me as well as my partner. And personally, I prefer basmati rice or jasmine rice. Make sure to rinse your rice, okay? So this is lunch. 1 salmon fillet, which is about 120 grams after cooked, 1 bowl of rice, as well as cabbage. I don't count my cabbage, to be honest. The more vegetables you have, the better. And why is it that I've started eating more rice nowadays? Firstly, it fills me up for much longer. And it has given me a lot more energy during my workout as well. That means I'm able to lift heavier and I'm able to perform better. And as a result, I've seen improvement in terms of increasing my lean muscle mass as well as reducing my body fat because I don't crave as much anymore. Before that, when I used to be afraid of eating rice and consuming less rice, I used to crave, like let's say in the late afternoon time, and I used to just randomly grab something just to fill me up. But since I've started increasing my rice portion, I don't have that cravings anymore. I personally prefer white rice. It's because it's easy on my digestion. So it's easier for my body to digest. If I were to consume too much of brown rice, it takes my body much longer to digest and sometimes it can leave me feeling bloated. And 1 cup of white rice or 1 cup of basmati rice has about 190 calories and about 40 grams of carbs. And this amount is equivalent to 2 slices of bread, which has about 30 grams of carbs and also about 190 calories. Or 1, I would say, small to medium potato. Same calories, same carbs, but to be honest, I will not feel that satisfied if I were to consume 2 slices of bread or even 1 small sweet potato. So that's why I've decided to sort of like switch my diet and consume more rice, increase my carb intake, And I've seen results over the past 3 months. I have more energy, I perform better, and most importantly, I am consuming less junks because I don't crave as much. So what I'm trying to say here is that rice is not bad for you, okay? Don't label rice as something that, oh, you should not eat if you want to lose weight, but rather it's about understanding food portion. Yes, you can include rice into your daily diet, but you need to understand how much rice you need in order to, let's say, lose weight, gain weight, or even to help to improve your performance, all right? So I would consume about 1 small bowl of rice for lunch and another half to 1 bowl of rice for dinner, depending on how intense my workout is. Before I pack this into containers, I have to make sure that they're all fully cooled down to room temperature. Then I'll pack them up and bring them out with me to my video shoot. When it comes to meal prepping, you want to make sure that you separate each ingredient. So protein should be separated from the vegetables and rice. By making it this way, your food will last longer when you take it out with you, okay? So don't just mix everything into one big containers. And you want to make sure that all the foods are fully cooled down to room temperature before closing them. Lunch is ready. We've been enjoying a lot more dinners at home nowadays. And to be honest, being at home most of the time, we like our dinners hot. So I'm going to prep baked chicken and tilapia with vegetables, Brussels sprouts, carrots, as well as onion. And I'm going to season it with cajun. Let's start by prepping the vegetables. And don't forget your onion, okay? Onion makes everything more flavorful. Alright, now that all the vegetables are ready, we're going to place all the ingredients into a baking tray and bake it in the oven. I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, just very little, all over the chicken, tilapia, and also vegetables. And don't forget to season your food. Season your food with herbs and spices. It is the best way to add flavors to your food without the excess calories. So we love cajun, and therefore we're just going to season it with cajun spices. Okay, you can be generous if you want to. And of course, black pepper. Lots and lots of black pepper, okay? Yeah, pack in the flavors. So I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil and place it in the oven to cook for about 40 minutes long, all right? And make sure to poke some holes for the heat to be released when the meat and vegetables are cooking, all right? Just small holes. Okay, and this is now ready to go into the oven. Do you remember the leftover rice from lunch? So I'm going to make egg fried rice for dinner. Dinner is ready. Baked tilapia and chicken with Brussels sprouts as well as carrots and egg fried rice. So don't worry guys, I am not eating all this on my own. I'm sharing this with my partner. And I know that he's always super hungry when he's back from his workout. And the reason why I like to bake my food is because it's so simple. All you have to do is put everything together, put it in the oven for 40 minutes to 1 hour, and in the meantime, you can go and get on with other things. And I like egg fried rice, okay? It makes it more interesting rather than just eating plain white rice. Dinner is this simple, and I like to consider myself a lazy chef. If I can do this, you can cook it as well. This is what I really eat in a day. As you can see, I follow a balanced diet. This is about 40% carbs, 30% protein, and 30% of healthy fats, okay? As for snacks, I like to either have a small sweet potato or a handful of nuts. I love my nuts. So I will have this as my snack, or sometimes even a protein shake right after my workout session as well. As you guys can see, I don't restrict my diet. I aim to eat real food, wholesome food, and food that will really fill me up. And I am not afraid to eat rice. I do consume rice on a daily basis. So don't be afraid of rice, okay? Most important is for you to understand your food portion and how much you need to maintain a healthy weight. Do let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and if you want more meal prep videos. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video on with your friends, and do check out other healthy recipes, meal plan videos on my YouTube channel, and also exercise videos. So guys, stay active on a daily basis, eat a well-balanced diet, and stay safe. All the best.